Hey everybody, it's Robin and welcome back to my channel. Today on the Robin's Nest, I'm going to be decorating this pretty pink baby belly cake. Now, I've made quite a few of these in the past. They are quite popular, but I never get tired of making them. They're so much fun because I get to add my own personal style to it and design a dress, even if it is just for a cake. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get into it. So to begin, as you can see, I have 3 different cakes here. I have a 10-inch round and I have 2 5-inch rounds. Now I had to get a little bit creative because I don't actually have ball pans. So I just used my set of stainless steel bowls and I greased them really well and lined them with parchment paper so they pop right out. So we're just going to start by leveling off these cakes and then we're going to layer them so we can fill them with lots of icing. So before we fill our layers, we need to attach our cake to our cake board using a little bit of icing. And for this cake, I'm using a 19 by 13 inch cake board. And once I'm finished that, we're going to be filling our layers with vanilla buttercream. And now I'm going to take my serrated knife and we're going to cut off all this caramelization and we're going to shape our tops to make them nice and rounded. Alright, so I finished filling my layers and trimming off all the caramelization and it's almost time for our crumb coat. But first I'm going to take this little area right here. We have kind of a little hole and I don't want to fill that with all icing. So we're going to take some of our cake scraps and fill up this little hole so we can do our crumb coat. Alright, I got this looking nice and smooth, so I'm going to get it off to chill for a little bit, and when we get back, we're going to color some fondant. And I hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you are, don't forget to hit them like and subscribe buttons. So the pink I'm going for today is just going to be a very light pink, so I'm just going to use a couple of dabs of Wilton's Rose. And we're going to get that mixed up and get it rolled out so we can start building the top part of our dress. And then we're also going to make a flesh tone using a little bit of orange and a little bit of brown mixed together to cover up the chest area with. Now I was going to start with the top part of my dress first, but because I've already laid my flesh color, I want to continue with my full first layer of fondant. So that way when we're working on the top portion of the dress, we can overlay the fondant over that part later on. So I'm just going to roll out some white fondant and we're going to get our dress covered. Now as you can see, I've rolled out a large piece of pink fondant and I have it nice and thin. And I'm just going to cut out a large panel and we're going to fold that and pleat it. And then I'm going to strategically place it over the top of the dress to make it look like an off-the-shoulder dress. Alright, there it is so far. I think it turned out really good. I'm really happy with it. So to finish it off, I'm going to give it a little belt around the waist, and then I'm going to decorate the bottom with some fondant wildflowers and the baby's name. Well guys, here it is, my pretty pink baby belly cake decorated with ruffles and wildflowers, and I just love it. I think it looks so pretty, and I really hope you guys all like it too. And if you did, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up and let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. And if you haven't done so already and you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell and you'll receive a notification next time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.